Okay, so today we're looking at this jacket. It's got a little hanger here. This thing's super nice. It's very thick. It's got the plaid on the inside. It's got a ton of buttons. It also comes with extra buttons, like probably 10 extra buttons, just in case you need them. Put this on. So this is an extra large, and to give you a reference, I am 230 pounds. It fits me just right, just the way I like my jackets to fit. It's got two different buttons to adjust, because I need this, because see, this one I can go a little tighter on, but I got my watch on this hand, so I need to go a little bit looser on that one. So you can do that. It's very stylish, I think. We're in the South down here, so plaid's kind of like what we like. Got the pocket on the inside with Velcro. Throw your phone, throw your wallet, and like that. That's what it looks like from the back. I may have found my new style. I like it. Got the pockets up front. Everything's really thick. And that's how you know it's like quality. Got my dog down there. Is everything's nice and thick. There's nothing thin here. All this is double ply. You can feel it. It's all double. So this would be great for like a light fall coat, winter coat here in the South, because it doesn't get cold here very often. Maybe a couple weeks out of the year, this wouldn't be fine. But any other time, I'd be wearing this. I'd be just warm enough. So I really like it. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.